that. Now let's get to our D Street segment, where Nimesh is now joining in with all the insights that he's gathered about today's trading session and individual stocks. Nimesh?
Hi, Rimana, another flat day. So it looks like it's a consolidation phase for Indian markets, and rightly so, because I guess the market lacks triggers now, and I think the next big trigger will come with the earnings season. So that's something to closely monitor going forward. Again, from a flow perspective, it's a very muted day, not much in terms of flows as well. Pretty much mixes what I understand. And there is a bit of profit booking in general in the broader markets as well for the last couple of days. I guess the sector which stands out, and I've been saying this in the feedback as well, that the PSUs are well bid. And again, today again is a day for the PSU bank stocks to outperform the overall market. So again, that's backed by some bit of institutional buying as well. Nifty, I guess, as I said, is a bit of a consolidation zone. But I guess apart from earnings, the very near-term trigger could be the Indo-US trade deal. That can have a bit of an impact on some specific sectors like IT and pharma. So that's something to watch out. But broadly, it's a consolidation day with not much in terms of flows as well.
What about stocks? Things are quiet at the index level, but did you pick up anything on individual stocks?
Well, there are a lot of stills which are still buzzing in trade, a lot of QIPs or fundraising. So the first stock on my list today is Aegis Vopak. That's been under pressure. It was down 3% yesterday because the anchor lock-in opened up. But I believe there is a bit of buying coming back in this particular stock. Even in today's market, there is delivery-based buying from larger FIs. So that's the first name, Aegis Vopak. The second couple of stocks, mid-cap names where I understand there could be fundraising very soon. Kaya, which is in a 2% circuit, and Prime Focus. That's been a big mover in the last few days. And I believe in both these names, there could be fundraising via preferential issue very soon. So that's the trigger there. The third name is Navin Fluorine. It was part of my charter 2 weeks back as well. The stock has rallied since then, almost at 52-week high now. There is buying interest, and I believe that the fundraising via QIP is very much around the corner for Navin Fluorine. And the last is Ganesha Ecosphere. Again, the stock has been a bit of soft in the last few days, under pressure as well. There was an initiating report from Spark few days back, but I believe at these levels, some bit of institutional buying, at least the domestic mutual fund seems to be accumulating at lower levels. Remember, the DI holding is quite strong at almost 22% in Ganesha Eco, and still some domestic mutual funds are buying here.
Thank you very much for that. And that vintage coffee that you were telling us about, that board meet has been announced, 14th of this month.
No, I think 4th, day after.
4th, sorry.
Yeah, 4th of July is the board meet. So wait and see as to who all comes in the pref issue.